Henry eating fruits. Little applesauce. He's not quite sure. Tastes pretty good, doesn't it?
Is this your first fruit, Henry?
Here's your first fruit. Crisscross applesauce.
He's not sure what to think.
He's like, ooh, it tastes pretty good. And then we'll let him entertain with the spoon for a moment. What's your spoon? As we move on down the line. Next up, Miss Caroline. Oh, where do you taste this?
How's that applesauce?
Is that yummy? Crisscross applesauce. It's good, huh?
Lip smacking good.
Good stuff. That's good stuff. Is that yummy?
How is it, Caroline? You like the applesauce?
Yum.
Yeah.
You want to play with your spoon? And glass. But certainly not least. She's like, what is going on? Something good is coming my way. Look at her. Yeah.
Meredith. Want to try some applesauce?
Is that good?
How is that?
You liking it? Look at Caroline. Henry still got his spoon. Is it good? Is that yummy? Is that yummy?
Is that good? It's not bad.
I'll take it.
Okay. Well.
Enjoyable?